freedom of expression yun. They are entitled to that. Ang sinasabi lang namin, if you're a man of the cloth, ang talagang trabaho mo spiritual awakening sa faithfuls. Huwag mo nang pakialaman yung Estado with respect doon sa mga methods na ginagawa ng Estado na sa kabutihan man ng bayan. Now, if they're affected by the criticism on the hypocrisy of certain members, if they're not alluded to, if they're not embraced in that group, then why should they be reacting?
Okay. May follow-up or Maricel tayo?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Sir, how will this word war between the president and the church will end? Or what will make this end, sir?
Unang-una I don't think, according to Bishop Socrates, it does not affect the church. So anong problema doon? If it does not affect the church, di wala. Kahit anong word na gamitin mo yan, parang they're just engaged in polemics.
But does the president want to hear an apology coming from the church para tumigil na siya sa, I mean, to stop the president from speaking against the church?
You know, the president cannot be stopped from speaking his mind on any particular matter that, to his mind, is important. In the same way na you can also stop these bishops from speaking themselves. Kahit anong sabihin mo, kasalita rin sila. So, hayaan na lang muna natin.